Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome back to the chemistry world again. Today our topic is cathode rays and discovery of electrons. So here we go. In this slide I am going to explain discovery and the production of cathode rays. So Sir William Crookes discovered cathode rays when he was studying electric discharge in gases in 1895. What is the production? How they produce? He took a glass tube fitted with two metallic electrodes. Cathode rays are produced in discharge tube. Hence, this discharge tube, generally referred as cathode ray tube. The tube is partially evacuated glass tube with cathode and anode at the end of the tube. There is two types of electrodes: anode positively charged, cathode negatively charged. A vacuum pump is used to partially evacuate the tube. These electrodes connected through a battery. It was found that electric discharge through gases place only when pressure inside lower, at least 10 raised to power minus 4 atmospheric pressure, and potential difference between electron was high. When high voltage current was passed through the gas, tiny rays were emitted from the cathode. These rays traveled towards the anode, and these rays were given the name of cathode rays as these were originated from the cathode. By the help of this picture, I am going to explain the discovery of cathode rays. So this glass tube is now as discharge tube. This is cathode, negatively charged. This one is anode, positively charged. A vacuum, air at low pressure. Cathode rays originated from the cathode and move towards the anode and produce green glow when strike with the surface of anode. In today's lecture, our second topic is properties of cathode rays and your important long question as well. So the first property is these rays travel in the straight lines perpendicular to the cathode surface. As you can see in this picture, a green line indicated the pathway of cathode rays, which is perpendicular to the cathode surface. The second point is they can cast a sharp shadow of an opaque object if placed in their path. So in this second picture, you can see that shadow of an metallic cross. These rays are deflected towards the positive plate in an electric field, showing that they are negatively charged. The next point is they can rise the temperature of the body on which they fall. J.J. Thomson discovered their charge-mass ratio, also known as EM ratio. E indicates charge and M for mass. Light is produced when these rays hit wall of the discharge tube. As you see in the picture, a green fluorescent is produced when they strike with the surface of glass tube. And the last point is it was found that the same type of rays were produced no matter which gas was used. All these properties suggested that the nature of cathode rays is independent of the nature of the gas present in the discharge tube or material of the cathode. The fact that they cast the shadow of an opaque object suggested that these are not rays but they are fast moving material particles. They were given the name of electrons. So as we know, materials are composed of atoms, hence the electrons are the fundamental particles of an atom. Thanks for the cooperation. Best of luck. We will meet in the next lecture, inshallah.